How are things, guys? This is Paul here from EJ. So today is my day for the cooking challenge. I was impressed by the lads the last few weeks, I must say. I didn't think they had it in them. So I'm going to try top Halton's French toast. I'm going to be making some blueberry banana oat pancakes. So for these, really simple, only a few ingredients. We've got oats, eggs, vanilla extract, Halton's secret ingredient, milk, bananas, honey and blueberries. And they're going in there and they're going to be delicious. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so getting into it, really easy. We're going to go with the oats first, straight into the blender. We're going to blend all these up first and then we get them on the pan. So them in first, we're going with 2 eggs. Two eggs, all done. 2 grams. These are really easy to make, and I'm hoping they're going to top Halton's French toast, so we'll see how it goes. Now, 2 bananas in. We're going a wee dash of milk. A wee dash, not too much. Now, tiny wee, as Halton said, less is more when it comes to this kind of stuff, so tiny wee dash of that. Just give it a bit of sweetness. And finish it off nice and sweet with the honey. So now, it's as easy as that, right? We're going to blend that up and we'll see how it goes. Now, that's fully mixed, almost ready to go. We're going to throw in a packet of blueberries there, well, half packet of blueberries because we're going to want some more for the toppings. Just throw them in on top like that and they're going to get a quick mix. I prefer to throw them in like that because if you throw them in at the very start, you're going to lose them when it gets all blended up, so they're lovely now in the pancakes when you get them cooked. Quick wee stir, mix them all up, and now that's ready for the pan. So now, a teaspoon of coconut oil in there, that's nice and warm now. We're going to start throwing in the pancake mixer, right? So I usually make them quite big, it's up to yourself though if you can make them whatever way you want really. So that's the first one on. Nice with the blueberries now on top of that. So we're going to leave that now until you can start seeing the bubbles come through it. Realistically about 4 or 5 minutes, and now we give it a flip, right? And now, so that's bubbles are coming through that now, ready to flip, and we're good. So let that heat up on the other side, and then yeah, be ready to go. So now while that one is just browning off there, I'm going to get the second one going. So I am. There's space in the pan for it. Now, go on. Perfect. Now, that first pancake is all done. 1 done, 2 to go. So this one's ready for flipping now as well. Perfect. Now, we done nothing. Right, so while that one is just finishing off there, we're going to throw this into the oven just to keep it nice and warm. Don't want to eat no pancakes now when this is all over. So, low heat, just in there. I'll do the job now while these are cooking, right? There, that's nearly done as well. Last one. In we go. There'll be mix left over, but you can use that for tomorrow or give it to someone else if you want to make their pancakes for breakfast. Last one in there. Now we'll get this out. Now, we'll just throw it back in for another 5 minutes just while that last pancake is cooking, right? Now, so that last pancake is flipped. While that'll only take 2 or 3 minutes now to finish that one off. You get the toppings ready. So If you wanted, you could go Halton's route and go with the bacon and the maple syrup, but since they're banana oat pancakes, I'm going to stick with the healthy stuff. So we go with the blueberries, the rest of the blueberries that we threw in there, and we go with some raspberries, Greek yogurt, and we'll use some of this honey now. So as I said, whatever you want really, but these will be my go-to toppings now for these few pancakes. So that's nearly done. Right, let's start going. So we'll get these out. Now, and there is your stack of pancakes. Now, so we go with the Greek yogurt first on top. Nice dog for that. These will be perfect now for a nice brunch option during the week now when you've a lot of time when you're out. So we go with that. Handful of raspberries. Handful of blueberries. And just a wee bit of honey just to finish it off nicely. Now, that's that. Simple as that. So hopefully that's better than Halton's. I think it is personally, but I'm not the judge. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, breakfast time.